Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by confirming your device supports iOS 26 and freeing at least 5 GB so the installer can download. Backup now. Use iCloud or a computer backup so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and make sure your battery is above 50% or keep the device plugged in. This prevents interruptions. Now open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to let the device check for iOS 26 automatically. You'll tap Download and Install and watch the progress. Larger files take longer, so be patient. If asked, enter your passcode and accept terms. This authorizes the install and allows the system to migrate settings. The phone verifies the package, then prepares the update. Once prepared, you'll choose Install Now or Schedule Tonight. Make sure not to force close settings. The update may reboot the device and perform a migration step, which can cause 2 automatic restarts before you reach the lock screen. After installation, follow on-screen setup prompts to enable new features and allow apps to update. Then verify the version in Settings, right arrow General, right arrow About. If the update fails, first restart the device and try again, and free more storage if the installer reported space issues. Once more, connect to Wi-Fi and power. As a troubleshooting key tip, use recovery mode and a computer restore only as a last resort. Restore from your backup to recover data if the device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.